I'm running Windows 11, opening up the Brave browser. You can use any browser, going to olama.com, downloading the Windows version of Olama, running the Olama setup.exe as administrator, and install. Going back to the website, clicking on DeepSeek or 1, you see there are various models you can download there. First of all, we'll download a small model, and then we'll run it. Typing in Olama on its own just shows you that it's running all right. I'm also going to list the models that I've already downloaded. And you can see I've downloaded a variety of models, bigger ones as well. Take up a lot more storage and are slower to run. So now I'm going to run this small model. And I've got sorrel growing in the garden at the moment, so I thought I'd ask it about sorrel nutrition. I know it's high in oxalates, but it's got other good benefits. And that's a very useful answer. So even the small model here is very useful. That's running locally. No information shared with China. Looking at the commands here, I can show information about the model. And interestingly, it says I'm running the Qwen 2 model rather than DeepSeek. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there with Olama. But anyway, I'm now going to pull a larger version, 8 billion parameter version. And this time you will see I actually will get DeepSeek. So the larger the model, the better it should be at answering your questions. Now run that model and ask it the same question. Get quite a different answer, but they're both useful, that's for sure. There we go, you can see the responses quickly. I'm asking what AI version are you? It's the 8 billion parameter version, and it's DeepSeek this time.